3632. This is an ocean view. So as you come in, we're going to just go right to look at the ocean view. Nice big square picture window. Watch the world go by. Love it. Let's see what's going on outside right now. Right next to the window is your bed, so when you wake up in the morning, you could look right out there, which is awesome. It's either going to be a king like you see it or two twins when they're separated. There's US power there next to the right side of the bed. There's cabinets above the bed up there, as well as to the left, with a safe and some drawers. Across from the bed, there is a TV, so you can watch that in there. Over here, you have 5 drawers, as well as a mini fridge. You have a little desk to sit at with a chair, 2 US, 2 USB, 1 European, and of course, that does light up. And of course, from all of that, you have your little sofa, which I do believe there's storage underneath as well. And there's one more cabinet here for hanging. All right, then we have our bathroom. Nice corner shower. Toilet in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". Might be a little tight if you're on the fluffy side, but I fit there just perfect. 3 shelves, power up top, nice sink, not too big, not too small, just the right size is according to how we like to have them. Sometimes we get in here and the sink is so big there's no countertop. I think that's a perfect size sink. And a nice shelf underneath. So there you go, everybody. There is your Oceanview cabin. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.